Well, back to another video. Happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays. Let's go over our trades. We took GJ to the upside and got stopped out once again. If you hadn't closed out your trades on or before Thanksgiving, remember to do that every year. Even when Christmas comes around, most holidays, banks are closed, brokers are closed. So taking your trades on and off during the holidays is not an option. So this is the result of Thanksgiving. Major drops, 4 hours, and Hbow took a dive. Okay, so make sure we can recover from that if you take a loss. Otherwise, if you profited from it, then continue to manage and follow your rules. Alright, let's look at your US. We got a cross above the HMAs. It's bullish right now. We're still waiting on a pullback. We're looking like we're going to consolidate before the major pull to the upside for your US on the 4 hours. We do have a buy signal and a crossover the HMA, but we want to, of course, protect our trades and make sure that we get in the optimal areas. Okay, so if we're taking a buy in this zone, we could take one above 1.124. Halfways or TP1's at 1.14 and TP2's at 1.16. RGUS is still in a sell. We've got next to no sign of bullish momentum. Okay, we have some evidence around the 11th of November for the pullback, but after that, price has been falling and dropping so harshly. And GJ is also negative for the week, or rather bearish for the week. No bull signals. We do have a minor pullback right now, but of course we're still waiting on price to turn around. Okay, so this is the 150 and the 200 HMA on Euro JPY, and we had a lot of falls with the Euro JPY over Thanksgiving holiday. We do have evidence of a bull call. There was some bullish momentum on the 18th to the 20th, but price held and we're consolidating right now. Still looking for a buy. Okay, going into odd yen. Same thing, looking like GJ. We're crossing HMAs, still to the downside, waiting for confirmation to become bullish. Okay, we're going to UJ and we can look at the hour 4s. Oh my gosh, we sold like a rocket. So we did have some bullish price action from the 4th to the 19th, but it looks like 112 for the yen, for the USD yen is making a support. So we can wait for price to bounce from there. Back to Bitcoin. Okay, if you're in Bitcoin, we're holding for the long haul. Okay, price closed above the HMA. We had a bullish momentum signal. but BTC Bitcoin is looking like it's going to range in this area before being bullish to about 100k. Gold is a fall. Okay, we've got the shoulder head pattern, and right around Thanksgiving we dropped to nearly the bottom of the last shoulder head lower low. But if you're trading gold, it looks like it's been bullish for longer than it's been bearish. So we'll wait on the confirmation to continue. Okay, and just to look at where we've been on silver, no clear shoulder head pattern, but it still is also bearish. Okay, so let's look at NZSF. Took a major dive over the weekend, or Thursday, Friday, and we're looking to make a comeback. We can look at the day frame, and we can see that is or has been bearish. So best to continue the longer term trend. Okay, and we can look at GSF on the 4 hours. And we need to change the template. Let's go to a different template. Okay, we had a bullish call around the 10th as well for pound SEF. Short-term pullback was more like what happened, and the fall to previous structure. Okay, for USEF, it looks like we're coming back. For USEF, we're making higher highs, higher lows. I'm looking for the buy very soon. Ethereum. Looks like we're following BTC's pattern and looking for the bullish momentum after some consolidation. Okay, that's all for this week. If you're trading for this December, then good luck. Make sure you close out all your trades before the holidays. Other than that, signing out. Catch you later.